Cheers. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. It is April 2025, Bag of the Month Unboxing Day. And I want to show you guys my new cup. Look at this. It's Sophia from the Golden Girls. My kiddos got it for me because I'm always choking lately. I don't know what's going on, but I need to have water near me. So, as you can see from the box, it is a very, very small bag. I had no idea that this bag was this tiny. I have never seen this bag in person. So, kudos to Dooney and Bourke for bringing us a bag of the month for April, a new bag. This bag has never been a bag of the month. As long as I've been doing the bag of the month, collecting myself personally about 6 years. On camera here for you guys, about 4. So this is the first time bag of the month. We're gonna jump in there, guys. It did come really early, so I don't know when this video will post, but it took less than 3 days, right? It's the 3rd it came. So I am taping on the 3rd. I don't know when I'll have the video up because sometimes it lags on the upload, but it came on the 3rd, which is very, very good. Now, this bag of the month came in 14 beautiful colors when I ordered it at 12 o'clock at night. I didn't check right now. I probably should have checked for you guys, but it is not an uncommon bag, although it is not normally a bag of the month. So the price point they have it at is $79, which I think is fantastic to have a beautiful Dooney and Bourke pebble leather bag for that under that $80 point, which is where all the bag of the month should be. So that's another good kudos to the Dooney and Bourke for going back to its roots. But one thing is, if you order from online, bag of the month, since it's under that price point where you have to pay for shipping, I think it's 120 or 100 something to get the free shipping. So I ordered a couple of extra pieces with it, so I get the free shipping. So even though the bag of the month was great, if they had offered the free shipping, so with the tax and stuff, you'd be under that $100. It's still a great price for a Dooney and Bourke leather bag. So $79. It is called Camera Crossbody Pebble Grain Bag, and I ordered with it 2 of the lanyards because I am collecting the lanyards. If you guys don't know, I ordered 2 lanyards. Let's see how long this video goes. If it goes too long, I won't show this time, but I'll show in another video. But if we have time, I will show you guys those 2. I got one in the, I think it's teal, and one dandelion. Yeah. So they are lanyards. I have a lanyard video in my videos. I don't know where it is because my son's working behind the scenes. If I can find it, I will link it. Okay. I do have the playlist on the bottom of all the bag of the month unboxings I've done for the past about 4 years. If you want to go see all the bag of the months that Dooney and Bourke has done for the past 4 years. I am a official, unofficial bag lady here. I do the Dooney and Bourke bag unboxing every month. Unless it's a bag that is really common and they've done it many times. Last 2 months were very common on bag of the month, and I have so many of those packed away. I didn't do it, but I did post into the post area the original videos that I've done on those same bags. So if you wanted to see those, they were in the post area. No sticker. I don't think I've ever gotten a sticker with the bag of the month. So what's up with that, Dooney? Do something about it. There it is, guys. The bag of the month, April 2025. Wow, I can't believe it's 25. I know I'm having like this weird shadowy. I'm taping at night here, guys, so sorry if the color isn't right. I will bring it close to you so you can get a look at it. Yeah, I've never seen this in person. It is tiny, tiny. Of course, the normal camera bags I've had many of, but I've never had one this way. So this is a north-south or east-west. Not sure, but it's facing the other way. So here is the paperwork. I ordered the beautiful color Spearmint. This is the color my son picked. Robert, you like it since you picked it? Spearmint, guys. It is gorgeous. And this is the paperwork. They aren't even not numbered. Not, like I said, this is not an uncommon bag. It is one of the common bags that Dooney and Bourke has, although it has never been a bag of the month. So here we have it. It is small, guys. I am not gonna lie, small. And it looks like the crossbody strap here is not removable, but it is adjustable. Now, if you have a lot of bags like I do, I know that a lot of the ladies here in our community do have a lot of them. I will be cutting these off and then using one of mine that are that have the little thing where you can remove. So you can do that on this bag if you have a strap you'd like to use. See how it is, does not come off, but it does have the nice ring where you can cut these off, guys, and put your own strap. Look how beautiful it is. Gorgeous. Spearmint, guys. Pebble grain. Look how lovely it is. Yeah, the coloring isn't coming out good. I'm sorry, guys. Taping inside. And we don't have a lot of lamps here in the middle of packing, so bear with me. Look how cute. I will do tomorrow morning, I will do a shot outside so you guys get the color a little bit better. But look, it's gorgeous. You can see the pebble grain. It's so beautiful with this colored strap, and then the thing here, the decor. It's really pretty, very pretty. Has a strap here in the front. What am I saying strap? It has a pocket here in the front. My hand does fit. Most likely it has a gusset here. So if you have a phone, keys, something small like that, it will fit. And then it has one zipper on top. Dive right in. So thank you all for watching my other videos, and I do have a very special unboxing video that's going to be coming up as soon as I get my bag. It's going to be the wildest video I've done, so I can't wait for that bag to come. I ordered one of my unicorn bags, so I've been waiting for it. I can't wait for it to come to show you guys. Look, oh, that's pretty cool on the inside. So it has a pocket, a zipper pocket right on the inside, and then a flap on this side here, and it has the leather Dooney and Bourke right there. So a smallie but cutie, beautiful bag of the month. I will wear it for you guys. I know my head's being cut off, but this is what we're working with, guys. Sorry. There we go. You know what I look like. Here you go. So it is a lovely flat to your body crossbody. I am going to give it that. I will rate it because a lot of people want me to rate the bag of the month. I'm going to give this a solid 8 because it is very well made. Like I said, the issue I would have mostly is the strap, but the strap is adjustable. You can make it shorter, but I am going to cut that off. So if you have an extra strap that you can cut off these, add your own crossbody. It's kind of perfect. I would have given, if these were removable, I would give it a 10 because it is a nice soft.
A 10, really? Wow.
Yeah, for a small bag, it's very nice, very compact. Like I said, it has that beautiful zipper here. Put your phone, throw everything you need inside. Really well made. Zipper is gliding. Look at that, even has pockets. So yeah, perfect for traveling, to go on a little trip, to a mom, if you have like a big bag for your like kid stuff, this would be great to throw on you. Safe, secure on your body. I even like that in the back it's flat like this, so if you wear it this way, I mean, it's more secure if you're traveling. So yeah, there you have it, guys, for April bag of the month with the pebble grain.
Spearmint.
Oh, spearmint color. Yeah, let me see the color right. Spearmint camera crossbody. Yeah, spearmint. So remember, 14 beautiful colors to choose from. If you got one, let me know on the bottom. It is lovely to see new bags being offered as a bag of the month.
It's called a camera bag?
It's a camera bag.
That's an old style camera.
Yeah.
It's big.
It's gorgeous. Yeah, it is gorgeous. I do wish it was a little bit bigger. I guess a little bit bigger, it would be more the size of a regular crossbody.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is a camera. For me, it's small, but I like it. I'll use it when we go for our travels.
Mm-hmm. Maybe if you ever do vlogging stuff.
yeah, you're gonna love it. If you don't have one, you want to start your collection with Dooney and Bourke, this would be great. Like I said, the price point is perfect, $79. But you do have to order something else with it if you want the free shipping. I'd get two, because there's a lot of colors. I should have ordered the second one. I would get two. I ordered accessories to go with my shopping. So there you have it, guys. April bag of the month right here, spearmint. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. I have a playlist of all the bag of the months last 4 years, guys. Go check it out. And if you're new here, I'm Tara. Please hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye.